So now how this STQC is going to help the customers? So all this while it's all your promises. It is just the words. But now your government of India is going to put a stamp on what is being promised. So people can definitely differentiate between the one which does not have and one which is having it. So just because of the marketing gimmicks, you cannot fool the customer anymore. You need to really have the quality product which can protect your data, secure data at your home, at your premises, at your critical infrastructure. So that is what STQC is all about. So definitely we welcome this initiative. All the players who are not serious about it, just with the marketing gimmicks, dumping the product in our country, that can definitely be protected because it is your security. And the STQC definitely is going to give you that stamp of security on your product. With STQC, our customers are not buying technology, they buy assurance.